Hi, this is Brian with Rocky Mountain Snow Guards. Today we're going to be going over the Yeti 9. This is a 9-inch aluminum snow guard. It's made out of an 040 aluminum. It's also available in 16-ounce copper. This product is used for both new and retrofit applications. On a retrofit application, it's going to be face fastened, so fasteners through the snow guard, through the roofing material, and into the decking. When we do that, we have to worry about waterproofing, right? We're putting holes in the roof. First thing we're going to do is put a bead of urethane sealant down underneath where the guard's going to be placed. We would then place the guard right there and fasten it with 3 of our wood binders. The wood binder fasteners are fantastic for keeping water out of the penetrations. The urethane underneath is going to create a waterproof barrier. For a new installation, we would go through, after you've laid the course that you're working with, you would then go through, lay the snow guards where they would need to be, and then you're going to fasten it above the headlap of the shingle. The fasteners are going to be either ring-shank nails or roofing nails. Typically, it's going to be 3 per. At that point, the next course that goes over the top of that is going to be our waterproofing. So we won't have to worry about any additional waterproofing. If you have any questions on this product or any of our other products, please feel free to reach out. Phone number is 720-379-7756. And our email address is info@rockymountainsnowguards.com. Thank you.